sage Bharata, in his magnum opus Natyashastra, talks about 8 different types of Naikas or heroines. Naikas in different moods. Naikas deeply in love. Some are happy, some angry, some just longing to be heard. In today's presentation, I re-look at 4 of them: Vasaka Sajjika, Kalahantarita, Abhisarika, and Proshitavartika, in different perspective with a new eye, presenting iconic Naikas. Vasaka Sajjika Naika is the one who adorns herself and her abode while waiting for her Nayak. Her mood joyous. In today's time, our Vasaka Sajjikas are meeting their beloved over video calls. She dresses up and waits and finally meets him virtually. Her wait no less than others. Her joy no ordinary.
मोती महारे बेस बना दे, सीथी लगा दे भाले, उरहि बिलुंठिता लोल चिकुरमम, बांधह चंपकमाले.
Kalahantarita Naika, a Naika who is quarreling with her Nayak and then she repents. In today's day and time, all our fights, all our love is expressed through. Here is a story, a WhatsApp story, where the Naika, just like me, has been WhatsApping verses of love, and all she receives in return from her busy Nayak is 4 thumbs ups or maybe a little heart. Of course she is not happy about it. She makes sure she expresses it. She is of course repentant that she expresses her anger. But it's good sometimes to express yourself exactly what you feel. And that's what is love, isn't it? To express your anger and also your repentance and your love.
माधव ना कहो आदर बानी, ना करो प्रेम का नाम। जनए मुझको अबला सरला, छलना ना करो श्याम। कपट कह तु छूट बोलसी, प्रीति करह तु मोहे। भाले भाले हम अलप चिन्हनु, ना पति आबर तोय। माधव कठर बात हमारा मने लागल की तोर। माधव कह तु मलिन करली मुख, क्षमा हुगु कुबचन मोर। निदय बात अब कबहु न बोलब, तुहु मम प्राण क प्राण। अतिशय निर्मम व्याधिनु हि अतब, छोरै कुबचन बान।
Abhisarika Naika is the one who journeys to meet her Nayak, braving the dark night, hiding from the world. Nothing can stop her from meeting her beloved. But why? Why do we love someone so deeply? Don't you think that we long to be with someone because they bring out what we love most about ourselves? So, this journey of Abhisarika is not just to meet someone she loves, it is to meet a stimulus that would bring out the best version of herself. And to be her best, she journeys, a journey towards perfection.
बादर बरखन नीरद गरजन, बिजुली चमकन घोर। उपेखै कै छे आव तु कुंजे, नीति नीति माधव मोर। घन घन चपला चमके जब पहु, बजर पात जब होए। तू हक बात तब समरई प्रियतम, डर अति लागत मोए। अंग बशन सब भीकत माधव, घन घन बरखत मेह। क्षुद्र बाली हमको लागए, कहा उपेख विदेह। बैस बैस पहु कुसुम शयन पर, पद जुग देह पसारी। सिखत चरण तब मूछब जतने, कुंतल भार उखारी। श्रांत अंग तब हे ब्रज सुंदर, राख बक्ष पर मोर। तनु तब घेरब पुलकित परसे, बाहु मृणाल कडोर।
Prashita Vartika is a Naika whose Nayak is not in the same village or city. She waits for him. She waits that one day he will come back to her. In today's day, many of us are like Prashita Vartika, waiting for our husbands to come back to us. They are just beside us, inside their mind, inside their laptop screens. They are physically beside us, but are they really there? We are all Prashita Vartika, waiting for that moment when they truly come back to us.
सखी लो निकरुण माधव मथुरापुर जब जाए। करल विषमपन मानिनी राधा, रोअबे नासो ना दिबे बाधा। कठिन ही आसई हासई, शामक करब बिदाय। मृदु मधु गमने आवल माधा, बयन पान तछु चाहल राधा। चाहई रहलस्य चाहई रहल, दंड दंड सखी चाहई रहल। मंद मंद सखी नयने बहल, बिंदु बिंदु जलधार। माधव बैसल, मृदु मधु हासल, कतो अश्वस बचन मिठ भासल, धरैल बालिका हात। सखिलो बोलत सखिलो, जत दुख पावल राधा। निठुर श्याम किए आपन मन में पावल, तछु कछु आधा। हासई हासई निकटे आसई, बहुत स प्रभद देला। हासई हासई पलटई चाहई, दूर दूर चली गेला। अबस मथुरा पूरक पंथ में, इह जब रोवत राधा। मरम की लागल तिल भर बेदन, चरण की तिल भर बाधा।